Welcome and thank you for joining me on this brief video tutorial on how to add a new repair order or estimate request into DENT Traxx. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to add a new repair order manually. In a different video we will go over the different methods of importing from other sources. But in this case, manually we go up to the top of the screen clicking on the new icon. It automatically starts with the name, last name, phone number, email address, if this was a retail client. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to select it as a dealer and select BMW Gallery, and it automatically fills in the name. You don't need to put more in there. You can if you want, and then select whether it is, what type of repair it is, which location that the repair is going to be processed at, and then you can say you are done. When it comes to identifying the vehicle, there are multiple methods. VIN can be typed in manually and then click on the search button. It can also be identified by clicking here, selecting the year, make, model, the trim package for that vehicle, and then DENT Traxx will decode and put the information, if available from the database, over there. You select the color. Any notes, you just simply enter into the notes field. Save from the top of the screen. The repair order now exists in Traxx and is identified right here. TRO stands for Traxx Repair Order. You will also see other repair orders in the system, and the name and number of the repair order will identify the source that it came from. For example, if it came through the retail estimate request from your website, it would be ERO for an electronic request. The last part of it is sequential and unique so that it can be maintained. You can then go about identifying the rest of the information here, and we can put in claim number with an insurance company, the car information. We get to put the stock number in here if it's a dealership. I can select the VIN take a picture icon, click on the take photo icon, and then select from the list that it brought up on the computer. Click open, and there I have the picture of the VIN, and I've now saved that. It now appears in the thumbnail here as well as lower down in the photo map. I can now take a picture of the license plate. In this case, I'm going to use this one that I just happen to have all ready to go here. Take a picture of the odometer. One of the beauties of these pictures, if you bring it back up to edit it, you'll notice at the top, right inside the picture window, is the ability to put the VIN directly into there. And then just simply closing that, it will have now updated it in the database. Now let's see if I selected the wrong vehicle and I hit search. Traxx will now update, as you see it did, and it corrected it based on the VIN. The license plate can also be corrected, and you can type in what it should be. The odometer reading can also be corrected. And now that all of that is done, I'm going to click Save and Stay. While most of the systems and things that you change in DENT Traxx are what we call self-parking, when it comes to the database fields, you must use the Save button, whether it be Save and Stay or Save and Exit.